Hey y'all, I hope you're doing good. Do y'all know what today is? First of all, it's not Christmas. It's not Christmas. But I will tell you that Christmas is coming soon. Not only is Christmas coming soon, but Thanksgiving is coming first. And right after Thanksgiving is Black Friday. Now, if you know, like I know, people come in droves to shop online for Black Friday. Recession or not, people are spending their money on what they want to spend their money on. Now, for my service-based business and for my product business people, if you have not started to plan out your social media content, if you have not started to post about your social media content or your social media deals or your offers, child, you don't even know what to post. It's okay, because I have something for y'all. I wanted to kind of put something together for my peeps, because I know what it's like. I know what it's like planning. I know what it's like thinking, oh no, it's Black Friday coming up soon and I don't even have anything to offer. Well, the good news is, you know somebody that understands, that has been in both service-based business and a service-based business, as well as a product business as well. So you have somebody that understands and knows exactly what's going on. You also have somebody that is a teacher. So I'm not just going to offer you something and not show you how to use it. And I feel like that's the value. You have somebody that is going to give you something and somebody that is going to teach you how to use it. So here's my offer. I have a social media Black Friday content calendar. And what it is November 1st through November 23rd. It is full of captions. It is a content planner. Of course, that comes with the captions. You have content planning ideas, so you don't have to go with the caption that I've already provided. They're together. So you have the idea and then you have the caption. I'm also going to have 4 self-paced classes, very many classes that show you how to use this thing and show you how to use it as your own. Because the content planner, everybody's going to get the same one, but nobody has the same business. And even if you guys have the same business, even if there are 2 locticians that get the same planner, their content doesn't have to be exactly the same, whether they use the content or the captions that I have. They don't have to be exactly the same. So again, you're getting a content planner with the captions. You could legit copy and paste, but I encourage you to make it your own. You're getting the content planner that has ideas for the week. It has ideas on videos you should shoot or things you should post. You're getting 4 self-paced classes. That's 1 for each week. And you guys are also getting access to my resources that I use, what I use to schedule my post. There are some hashtag resource links. And all of this is going to come in an ebook format, so you can use it if you are a person who uses Goodreads. Goodreads is like a digital planner kind of thing, where you open up your iPad and you write, like you write in the iPad that I apparently don't know how to open. So you could write. You can also download it as a PDF. Well, it comes as a PDF. And you can take it to your local printer or your Staples and get you a copy printed. So that's like 5 things. I often hear people say, well, how much is that gonna cost? And to them I say, what is the value? Like, what is the value for you? This thing could cost $1. This thing could be free. This thing could be $100. It could be $150. But what is the value to you? And when you think about it that way, the cost means nothing. But it's going to be $25. Because sometimes people just don't respect free. And I know that because tons of my t-shirt designs that I've done for people are out there. And therefore, they were free to those people that stole them. So, y'all hit me up. If you haven't had any thought about your social media, I got you. Today is November 1st. You could actually post this evening. So let me know. I'll be finished uploading it really soon. Because I'm finishing it up. I'm just putting some minor tweaks. But let's get it, y'all. Black Friday, Cyber Monday. If you haven't even thought about planning, I got you. Chat with you later.